This is the number one thing that imprisons people from starting a business and making a change in their finances. I get a lot of people want to change. A lot of people say they want better, especially with, the New Year's thing and, people saying that they want to change. But a lot of the times, especially when getting into business, it is often the reason why you want to change that keeps you from changing. How I know that is because I was actually there. One of the major things for me was, how much is it going to cost? And how fast can I get paid? Because I was in a desperate situation and I needed to change that situation, and I wanted to know how quickly I can change the situation. But I focused on the money. I focused on the end goal. I focused on the results I was going to get for me, but I was not focused on delivering value to my potential customer and learning the necessary skills in order to successfully deliver said value to my potential customer. And it's a mistake that we all make because we are fueled by that need to get the income as fast as possible because we want our situation to change. And nothing's wrong with wanting your situation to change, but it causes you to miss the value of what you do sometimes. It causes you to miss your ultimate goal. And your ultimate goal is not the money. Your ultimate goal is to be valuable enough, and so valuable, in fact, that people will find you and seek you out to ask you, hey, what are you doing? And how can I benefit from what you do? So if you want to learn more about what it is I do and how I help people become more valuable on social media and become the hunted instead of the hunter using a 2 to 3 hour a day process, type right in the comments and I'd love to share it with you.